If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Snapchat, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that the card or account details are entered correctly and that it hasn't expired. Step 2. Update payment information. Go to your Snapchat account settings and update your payment information. Remove the old payment method and add a new one to see if that resolves the issue. Step 3. Clear app cache. Sometimes, app cache can cause issues. Clear the cache of the Snapchat app by going to your device settings, finding Snapchat, and selecting the option to clear cache. Step 4. Check for app updates. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Go to your app store and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can fix bugs related to payment processing. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If the problem persists, reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue, and they can help you troubleshoot further or identify any account-specific problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment declines on Snapchat. If issues continue, staying in touch with customer support is your best option for a resolution.